Today we're going to discuss a topic that people ask me quite often. How much does mastering make a difference? If you're curious, stay tuned. Okay, first let's talk about the goal of mastering. The goal of mastering is to make sure your audio and your music will sound great on all platforms available. These days, there's lots of different platforms out there, and it may require the use of a mastering engineer to make sure that your stuff sounds as best as it can. Sure, this is the day and age where people are trying to self-master at home, and there's a lot of knowledge on the internet that is good as well as bad, so you need to watch out. But the one thing I will say is I did a video on what is mastering quite some time ago, so I'll leave you a link to that so you can understand if you're unsure. But today's topic is how much of a difference does mastering make? Now, I can't really share audio before and after samples on YouTube, unfortunately, because of copyright. I don't want to have a strike, but you can go to my website and I'll leave you a link down below in the comments section, and you can check out before and after samples of some of the masters I've done. And one of the things that I always do is offer first-time clients one free stereo mastered sample. So there's a link down below in the comments section as well for that. So one of the most important things that you need to understand, by giving your music to another party, you are allowing them to have an objective mindset about your music. They're listening in a totally different environment, a totally different space. Good mastering engineers will have an acoustically treated room like this one. Their room will be dialed. They will have knowledge on frequencies and just expertise on the tools used for mastering. That is the difference between excellent mastering engineers and amateur mastering engineers. And that will make that much more of a difference with your music. So I urge you to give it a try. Try out some mastering engineers. Try to master at home. If you'd like to try some of the automated services, be my guest. I made a video on the differences between human mastering and artificial intelligence mastering. You can check that out. I'll leave you a link. But the most important thing that you need to understand is that mastering is still an art, and a good mastering engineer can take your music to the next level. So once again, I'm not going to get into the specifics on what mastering actually is, but I recently got this question about the differences behind mastering. And my developers made me a custom before and after player that I just added to my website. So I urge you to go check out that link below under before and after and check out some samples. And if you're interested in getting a free sample from me, hit the link below. And I would love to work on your music, and I can show you one-on-one how much a difference mastering truly does make. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and the bell notification will keep you up to date. My name is Freddie from Distinct Mastering, and have a great day.